Breaking news just in. Major developments are shaking up the global trade scene. A high-stakes legal battle over tariffs is heating up in court. And Senator Marco Rubio is turning up the pressure on the State Department with a bold new demand. Welcome to Triggered Yeah, where we break it down, raw and real. Let's get into the facts. The ongoing tariff war is now a legal war. A group of U.S. businesses and foreign governments has filed a massive lawsuit, claiming that the Trump-era steel and aluminum tariffs were illegal. These tariffs, originally imposed under Section 232 for national security reasons, slapped 25% on imported steel and 10% on aluminum. But here's the twist. Leaked internal memos suggest national security might not have been the real reason, and that economic advantage was the actual goal. If the courts agree, it could mean the end of broad presidential powers on trade, and a huge win for companies relying on global imports. Legal experts are calling it one of the most important trade cases in decades. If the lawsuit succeeds, we could see the rollback of executive authority, and maybe even a rebalance of power between Congress and the White House. Firm and slightly dramatic tone. Meanwhile, on Capitol Hill, Senator Marco Rubio just dropped a political grenade. He's accusing the State Department of ignoring serious threats from foreign governments operating within U.S. borders. In a fiery press release, Rubio said, quote, "The U.S. cannot be a playground for foreign propaganda and tech theft." He's pushing a resolution that demands an investigation into consulates and cultural programs tied to nations like China and Russia. According to Rubio, they're being used for more than diplomacy. They're tools of espionage, influence, and manipulation. The State Department, they're calling it exaggerated and divisive. But behind closed doors, insiders admit the threat is real. Rubio's move has triggered fierce debate, not just in Washington, but across U.S. allies. Slightly faster, opinionated tone. Here's our take on Triggered Yeah. This isn't just about lawsuits or resolutions. It's about power, who has it, who wants it, and who's losing it. The tariff lawsuit could redefine trade law. Rubio's challenge may change how foreign nations are allowed to operate in the U.S. Both stories connect to one thing: 2024's big themes: jobs, national security, American leadership. And if you're not paying attention yet, this might be the calm before a very political storm. That's the update for today, folks. Tariffs, foreign influence, political shakeups, and we're just getting started. So what's your take? Are these just political stunts or signs of something bigger? Let us know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and join the movement here at Triggered Yeah. Stay sharp, stay free. We'll see you in the next one.